Today's featured car of the day is a rare beauty for you Buick muscle car fans, a 1971 Buick GS Stage 1 Hardtop. And this one I filmed at a car show in a small town in Oklahoma called Weatherford, a town of about 12,000 people. And they had a car show that I went to right off the 40, and they had quite a few great cars there for such a small town. But this one was a real beauty. Looks like a nut and bolt restored, rare one. They only made 801 stage ones in 1971, and I think 687 were the automatics. And this one is a real beauty with the pearl white interior and the nice burnished cinnamon paint, I believe, and or the bittersweet mist. I can't remember which color it is, but it's good look or whatever color it is. And this one was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. And as far as the production numbers go, in 1971, Buick made 801 stage ones, hardtops, and out of that, 687 had the Turbo 400 automatic transmission. 114 were the 4-speeds, and they also made 81 convertible stage ones in 1971, of which 72 were automatics and 9 had the 4-speed. And then in 1972, they made 728 stage 1 hardtops, of which 627 were the automatic transmission, a Turbo 400, 101 were the 4-speed. And once again, on the convertibles, they made 81 stage 1 convertibles and 72, of which 66 were the Turbo 400 automatic and 15 were 4-speeds. And then 1970, they made, on stage 1, they made 2,465 hardtops, of which 1,785 were the Turbo 400 automatic transmission and 664 were the 4-speed. And then as far as convertible stage ones go, they made 232, of which 164 had the Turbo 400 automatic transmission and 67 were 4-speeds. So they only made the stage ones on the Skylark from 1970 through 1972 with the 455 engine. And as you can tell by the numbers, they're pretty rare birds. Anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Buick GS Stage 1 Hardtop, one of 801 made in 1971. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.